So my phone cut out on me when I was cutting this right hand end, but now I'll go through the same thing on cutting my left hand side. So again, I'm going to rotate my saw over to a 45. Make sure that I lock it in at exactly 45. I come back over here, I tighten my table up so that it stays where I want. Again, this is my front piece. I already cut my right hand side, so now I'm going to go cut my left hand side. You'll see how my mark is indicating the angle in which I want to cut. Let's see if I can prop my phone just right. Make sure that your fence stops are all tightened up so that you don't have play in them. You don't want them to rotate on you at all. This top one over here on the left, this top one is actually removable, and if it's loosened up, it can be loose and move around on you, and you don't want that. So try and position this so that you can see. So now what I want to do is I want to indicate from my saw. I'm going to set up so that I just cut out on my front edge out here. I want to make sure that I cut this face. So I'm going to try to set this up. My phone isn't going to hold where I want it, so I'm just going to have to make my cut. What I want to show you is I want to just kind of point out that you got to make sure that your piece stays perpendicular in here and tight down to the table. Don't let it tip this way. Don't let it tip that way. Okay, make sure that it's nice and tight back against that fence when you make your cut. I'm gonna repeat that on all the other pieces that I need to cut, and I'll follow up with another video.